Okay, we're back here on the Bergen Associates booth, and I'm joined by Kumud Tyagi, who's the Vice President. Welcome, Kumud.
Yeah, good morning. And I'm Kumud, working with Bergen Associates for almost 22 years now.
Okay. So you've had a really good insight into all the developments throughout the 22 years, and you've got a big range of machines and components here. So tell us very briefly, Kumud, which machines are you bringing into the Indian market that are really good for this for the manufacturing market here?
The range we have is all high end, and high end, when I say, it's in terms of technology, and we believe in bringing the new technologies to Indian market, and we believe something really workable. It's not only the technology developed, but well established proven technology which can be used by masses. So that's our concept of bringing new technologies in India. On booth, this time we have X-ray with CT inspection. This is 3D X-ray, and CT of course is 3D always. And this machine is not only for electronics, but the people can use the machine for non-destructive testing of additional items in terms of metallurgy, in terms of material science. And concept is because this is non-destructive testing and the machine is flexible in usage, so this serves purpose of multi applications while production lines are doing the routine productions. So the machine can be used by production people, quality people, as well as R&D people.
And it's using an open tube.
Because we have open tube concept over here. So if you analyze any X-ray or CT inspection machines are consisting of three major parts: the detector, the generator, and X-ray tube. And if you see in terms of cost, so major cost is coming from these three components. And being an open tube concept of X-ray tube in the machine, only consumable is the target. And target is really negligible cost if you compare with the X-ray tube itself. So our X-ray tubes comes with lifetime warranty. The open tube comes with the lifetime warranty, and the user have to only replace the target, and that also has very good life. And replacement of target is as easy as like replacing a fuse in any system. So the operator himself can replace it. We give small training how to do it.
So the running costs are very reasonable.
Absolutely. Well, we have been selling such kind of machines in India for more than a decade, and well, I'm happy that we have very low downtime of the machine and satisfied customers. On the other side, I don't have any service revenue coming from these machines because they are not under breakdown, and they have very minimal service requirements.
So you're not making much income from maintenance.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
What other equipment do you have on the booth that is really a main seller for you?
Okay, as we are offering entire line for SMD production, through-hole component productions, and we also have special application machines which are not only for electronic manufacturing but for other applications like wire bonder, die bonder. We call them universal application machines. And something new we always have on the booth here this time we have is LDS technology, that is laser direct structuring on three-dimensional parts. So it's something new for Indian market, but
Is that the LPKF one?
that's from LPKF, but already proven globally. And I'm happy to share some of the customers, like BMW is one of the leader in using such kind of technology, which makes the cost of end product really very low, because we reduce the weight of the final object. We have more aesthetic look in the final object, and because the circuitry, the current carrying patterns can be made directly on the plastic, so overall weight is reduced and the overall cost is also reduced because of that.
So you can structure on virtually any material, any substrate.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much for a run through on the key products you've got on the Bergen booth, Kumud. It's been a pleasure to meet you and to go through this, and I'm sure we'll be hearing much more from Bergen in the future. Okay, this is Trevor Galbraith reporting from the Bergen booth here at EP India.